Medical debt. It's a lucrative industry that preys on America's most vulnerable, and some of its predatory practitioners could be hard at work in this very building right now. I mean, I have no idea what that building is. There could be anyone in there. The burden of medical debt in this country has become so severe that even pop culture celebrities are speaking out against it. Taylor, is medical debt good?
No, I don't think I would say that.
But it's also garnering attention from a different group of symbolic figureheads used to distract us from the corporate powers that actually govern our lives, Congress. The U.S. Senate held a hearing on medical debt in July of this year.
In America, 1 out of every 4 cancer patients either declared bankruptcy or lost their homes to eviction or foreclosure as a result of medical debt. Is there any other country in the world where that takes place?
Well, it takes place in the Republic of Pennsylvania as well. In that country, children are born $10,000 in debt, and it's considered dishonorable not to reach 6 figures by your 18th birthday. Trick-or-treaters are given IOUs instead of candy, and the tooth fairy just leaves a note that says, "I can't pay you for your teeth because I'm too deep in debt." But otherwise, no, the cancer thing is pretty rare.
I mean, if that's not obscene, I don't know what is obscene.
It would also be obscene to have sex with an animal in public,
to say the least.
Of course, no discussion of medical debt would be complete without taking into consideration the rising costs of healthcare itself. In 2021, Representative Katie Porter questioned AbbVie Pharmaceuticals CEO Richard Gonzalez about price hikes on the drug Imbruvica.
AbbVie itself didn't spend any money to create Imbruvica. It was invented by a smaller company, Pharmacyclics, which you later acquired, correct?
Yes, that's correct.
How much money did AbbVie put directly into the research and development costs of Imbruvica before it hit the market in 2013?
Well, one time I ran into one of our researchers in the break room. She was attempting to buy something from the vending machines and asked me if I had any change. I didn't have any cash on me at that time, but if I had, I would have given it to her.
What about marketing and advertising? How much does AbbVie spend on that?
$20 bagillion.
How about executive compensation?
Well, is that including the free admission to the masked Eyes Wide Shut parties? Because we generally don't include that on the invoices, so calculating an exact value would be...
Reclaiming my time. Mr. Gonzalez, you're spending all this money to make sure you make money rather than spending money to invest in, develop drugs, and help patients with affordable life-saving drugs. And the fact that you're not honest about this with patients and with policymakers, that you're feeding us lies, that we must pay astronomical prices to get innovative treatments is false. The American people, the patients, deserve so much better.
Have you heard about these trans kids playing girls' sports? It's really crazy stuff. We need to have a serious conversation about this.
That's right, trans teenagers. Young people going through a challenging adolescence, or demons from hell sent to destroy our society. There's no easy answer. I feel like this report was originally about something else, but I can't remember what that was. For Rage Against Persecuted Minorities, I'm Hoff Matthews.